Let me show you the coolest, extremely affordable wireless Wi-Fi repeater that you can use if you have Wi-Fi coverage issues in your home. So essentially it can boost basically the range of your Wi-Fi network, and if you basically can't connect at all basically in some rooms in your house, again this can give you access and also improve your speed as well essentially. So also in this video I will show you how to set it up using a smartphone and also a PC as well, and how to do everything on it. By the way, also if you are looking to get this repeater, so in the description I'll include a special discount link that you can use and get it for, as you see, literally like $3, and that also is with free shipping. So for this price it's absolutely crazy what we are getting. So literally only like $3 or $4 depending on your location for it. So absolutely insane what we are getting here. So yeah, let's check out everything out. So inside the box we get actually fairly plain packaging here, also quite extensive manual. I will show you that a bit later. So when it comes to build quality, as you see, it's like a basic unit here. So also it has got this WPS connection button as well, so you can connect easily to a network. Also LAN output here, reset button, and this obviously will come with a correct plug for your country. So let's plug it in. And the first time you actually plug it in, it takes maybe like half a minute to boot up and start working. So simply wait till this slide finishes and only these two red plus green stays still. And once it's booted up, there are two methods how you can actually set this up. So if you have the WPS function on your router, so you see you would simply press the WPS button on your router and then also press this button on the top here, and both of these devices will sync together and there is really no additional setup. It will work straight away. But if you do not have that function, or perhaps you want maybe boost signal strengths from a phone hotspot, so we have to actually set up using the web portal. So to do that, basically what you have to do, so I'll show you first on the phone. So you simply, let's use this one. So you simply go in your Wi-Fi settings on your phone and you see it will appear here as something like this essentially. So we are going to simply join the network here. So you see, wait a bit till it's, and you see it automatically opens up this page on your browser where you can set it up. So on a PC it's pretty much the same. So you see, again, you will click here in your Wi-Fi networks, and again simply connect to the network here. Again, in most cases it should also like open up so you see it automatically opened up this kind of like a web portal where to set it up. So I'll show you on the phone, but yeah, the setup is pretty much the same. Also, if it doesn't brings you to this page automatically, you can simply go in your web browser and simply enter either of these addresses. So on the back of this unit, so if you check, you have this IP address listed. So for example, this is mine, but yeah, there are like two different kinds of units of these. So this is the newest model. I think the older one actually uses this one address. So you would simply enter 192.168.11.1, so in your address bar. So this address, or also this one, the second one, if the first doesn't work. And you see you also get access to this. And again, this is the newest version. If you have the older version, basically if you use that listing, again it will come with the newest version here. So we simply have to go over here in the repeater setup and it will scan all the available Wi-Fi networks in your area. So you see it found my network. Also, one more thing that you have to know is this repeater only works in 2.4 GHz frequency. So if basically it can't find your Wi-Fi network, make sure it's also set up to be able to run in the 2.4 GHz frequency. So again, yeah, if you can't find it. Also, you have the manual setup here as well, where you can enter the details manually here of your Wi-Fi network if needed. But yeah, let's use the auto. So you see, I'm simply going to connect on my network, click, and then enter the password of my Wi-Fi network. So enter whatever you have and click next, finish. it will take maybe like 20 seconds to fully set up and be able to use it. So again, maybe wait a bit. Maybe let's see if it's already working. So you see, okay, yep. So you see, it essentially is creating another network called this one. So at the end ext. So this is my main network, and it created like a new network called pretty much the same, but with ext at the end. So this is that network, and to connect, so again you simply connect to that, and now you're using internet coming from this one. By the way, in this web portal, if you get asked for username and password, it's admin, so both for user and password. So again, if you have the older version, it asks for password, so it's admin on both. Also, let me show you the whole manual of it in case you maybe want to see something here. So again, pause wherever you need to. So I'll quickly show you, just pause wherever you need. And also we have different modes here as well. Okay, and that's about it. Also, yep, we can easily connect LAN as well on this thing. So you can even use it in the wired mode as well if you want. Or also you can even, if your router, for example, doesn't have wireless capabilities, you can actually plug in your router into this device, and this can actually output the Wi-Fi signal, which is absolutely awesome. If at any time you need to reset, so you see you have the reset hole, you simply take maybe like, for example, a tool like this, or maybe a needle, simply click and hold for maybe like a few seconds, and it will reset. And if you're wondering if this can actually maybe increase your Wi-Fi speed, so it will actually depend on for what purpose you are using it. So for example, the main purpose of this device is again to simply extend the signal. So if you simply do not have Wi-Fi coverage somewhere in your home, if your home is too large, or maybe you want to pass it through to another building, so this is for that. So essentially, yeah, basically, for example, let's say this is my Wi-Fi router, so it is for me since I'm using hotspot. And for example, if this phone is very, very far away from my phone and the Wi-Fi signal simply can't reach both devices, so I would simply place this in the middle. So this device will simply take the internet from this one, route through it, and pass along this one. So essentially like almost doubling the range of your Wi-Fi network. So that's absolutely awesome. So again, its main purpose is really as a Wi-Fi repeater. When it comes to increasing speeds, so again, if your other device obviously can't reach your first device, obviously you are getting way, way better speeds. But yeah, if you have it very close anyway, and you have like good coverage, in my experience, it actually won't boost your speed. In fact, it will even be slower than if you were to connect directly, because obviously to basically route the connection through this one, back and forth, basically, again, you are creating like extra basically layers, which obviously slows down the whole process essentially. So again, if you are wondering, if you can solely use this to increase your internet speed, if you suspect basically there is something wrong with your Wi-Fi router or your Wi-Fi signal, then in most cases, nope. So again, this is mostly used to simply extend the range. Or also, for example, again, if this device is very, very far away from this device and you only see maybe like 1 or 2 bars, so again, maybe a bit of coverage, but you aren't getting very good speeds, then indeed, if you place this thing in the middle and route through it, again, you will definitely get better speeds in that case as well. And yeah, overall for this price, in my opinion, it's absolutely awesome. So literally for like $3 with free shipping, if you follow those special discount links. So again, this also I think is directly from the manufacturer who actually makes these routers. So literally for around $3, so can't complain at all. So absolutely awesome device. Okay, good luck.